Attorney Lowell Petizano. I'm Attorney Lowell Petizano, and we have been in this business, mobile application business for 10 years now. Tonight, what we offer you is the most advanced safety and security business concept that we call the emergency button in your pocket, and we are looking for investors. This is how it works. One Tuesday morning, you are in your office. Suddenly, you felt a chest pain, and you are suffering from a heart attack. If you do not get medical attention in 15 minutes, the brain damage is irreversible, and you are dead. Using your ordinary landline will take you 3 to 5 minutes to relay all the information. Your name, your location, the emergency situation. Using our mobile phone, all you have to do is get your cell phone from your pocket, click on the emergency icon, and that's it. The ambulance is on its way to save you. This is actually what happened once after you click. For example, a person suffered a heart attack. So, the cell phone automatically sends a signal to the server. Here's the server in front of you. So, in the server, your location, your address is there in the monitor. It automatically sends a message to the ambulance, nearest ambulance, and it will be there to save you. You're safe. Actually, I'm the ambulance. Thank you. Okay, so I assure you this is 3,000 times more efficient than 911 or 117. Now, actual demonstration tapos na. Okay. We conducted the survey last night and we are surprised that there are 89 votes, 89 likes. So, kashing! So let's talk business. We discovered upon meet with a brilliant team that we have also created a money multiplier. Money multiplier. So, okay Jerry, what you want me to do? I'll show you the money. But wait, we must emphasize that we are not selling merely a mobile application here. We are here to help you, to save your life. And at the price of 500 per year, no? Or 320 per year, or 42 pesos per month, or $1 a month. I believe that your life is more than $1 a month. So, conservative forecast. Our team made a conservative forecast of the yearly income at 37,105,250 or more. That's conservative. It has a basis and statistics. As of yesterday, there are 98 million Filipinos. I don't know today. Out of that Filipinos, 60% are mobile users, 5% are smartphone users, and 70% are non-smartphone users. No? So, we have a conservative assumption that 1% subscribe. Using basic math, there can be no mistake. 37 million. 45 seconds, so I have our business model is business to business. We will tap on local government unit. We envision that all local government units are equipped with the operating emergency button system. So another is B2C with subscription. How much we need? 12 million. We will return you your money in 1.5 years. So this is our two purpose. To put the policeman, the paramedic, and the fireman in the pocket of the customers. And to put the money in the pocket of the investors. Thank you very much.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Brian and I'm with Hazel Caballero and we are Crowd Club. So, I would die a happy man if I see, for example, my favorite celebrity do something, do a task for me. So, what are we trying to do, basically? We're trying to crowdsource tasks that will be done by celebrities, and then basically people would bid and people will contribute to money, and then whatever we collect, and then if the celebrity accepts, we take majority of the collection and then we give to charity. So that's the concept of the application. So what have we done so far? We have over the past 2 days, we have developed a web application. So you can visit our website right now. This is just a preliminary site, so we will be changing it. So for example, here we have posted a challenge. We want someone to run along Ayala Avenue in black bikini, and it's directed to Christine Reyes. So if you want to vote, you can put your money there, and if she accepts, the deal or the task will be covered, and then we pay the money to charity. So we have also developed a mobile text interface. So it's actually a working prototype. So you can actually text to this number, and then we will receive the number. And we're also building an Android application. So we have gathered web and mobile people over the past weekend, and it was great. So market validation, just to look at some popular personalities. We have almost 1 million followers for Chris Aquino. Pokwang is another local celebrity. 752,000 if we get 1 peso from their followers, maybe for a certain simple task. Maybe it could change something. Here's another study. We looked at some stats. We have 3 million for this person. She's quite popular. She's Vice Ganda, another local celebrity. So we're trying to leverage the social capital of these celebrities for something good. Another study, this is just a TV show, and then in just 1 day, they're receiving 1,500,000 votes. So our revenue model is to get a percentage for the handling of this service, and we are planning to build enterprise applications, versions of these applications, which we will sell for subscription based, and then we'll also be selling ads. So who are we? We're a group of software developers, project managers, academicians, and here we are. So we want to change the world one crazy task at a time. Thank you.
Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. It is a fact that poverty is always the cause of poor healthcare. It is the reason why. This is the reason why ABS-CBN and GMA News has been very successful in featuring the kids that has healthcare problems in their news programs. And normally, when we watch these news programs, these kids would crunch our hearts, grab our attention, and we would want to donate right away. But the problem is, the donation will have to be done tomorrow. It will be donated, it will be deposited in the bank. And human as we are, the reality is we forget about it, we forget about the kid, we forget about donating it where and when. So, we asked, before this weekend started, I actually approached some non-government organizations and asked them about the viability of a product. And they're so excited about our solution. Our solution is actually what we call Group Hug. Group Hug is a social entrepreneurship and a software as a service kind of a startup. And the goal of Group Hug is to empower non-government organizations to provide health care to less fortunate kids that needs medical attention. The non-government organizations will be able to feature the kids, their profiles, their dates, that's what's going on in their healthcare problems and their needs. And most importantly, this system will prompt you as a donor to grab hold of your pocket, your credit card, and right there and then, when you see the need, you're going to donate for the kid. And that's how we're going to solve that problem. Our business model is simple. We're going to provide this application for free to use for NGOs, and we're going to earn from the processing fees, and we're going to have custom partner marketing campaigns. Alright, let me show you a short demo of what we came up with over the weekend. It is courtesy of the team that gathered just over the weekend. We don't know each other. This, by the way, Chris, very cool guy. Of course, we're going to start with our front page. We're going to feature several kids that needs medical attention, and down at the bottom we're going to feature our partners. Our partners would be these foundations, and it's very important for us to partner with these foundations because credibility is very important, and that's what we're going to work on for this project. And then each partners will have their own product page or pages for themselves. They will have, in this case, we're going to have Kapuso Foundation. They will feature several kids that needs attention, that needs healthcare contributions. And then, if we're going to go to the kids' profile page, the idea is for this page to be so emotional that you want to give right away. You don't need to go to the bank tomorrow. What you need to do is to click on the button. There's going to be videos, there's going to be updates here in this page like this. So what you're going to do is to click on the button and donate right away. How much would you want? I want 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 pesos. Then right there and then you're going to donate. And you click using PayPal, and then there you go. And then one of the viral